If you have dry and sensitive skin, here's how you can create the perfect skincare routine in 4 steps. Before that, let me talk about my chaotic, traumatic skincare era before I found the perfect routine, the reason for this glow. Okay, there was a point of time when I used to use Mysore sandal soap on my face and then follow it up with aloe vera gel. That too, those colored ones like pink, green. And for exfoliation, I used to use walnut scrub. You can literally scrub vessels with that. When this wasn't working, I turned to social media for help and bought viral skincare products that weren't even meant for my skin type. And I also ruined my skin at one point of time. Obviously, I don't want that to happen to you. So hi, I'm Vibha and I'm partnering with The Face Shop today to save you with just 4 steps. Step 1. Find your skin type. Wash your face and just let it be for a few hours. If your skin gets oily, obviously it's oily. If your skin is fine, it's normal. And if your skin starts like tightening up and you get those white patches, then your skin is dry. Step 2. Figure out your skin issue. Do you have acne? Do you have cystic acne? Do you have bumps all over your face? Do you have dark spots? Is your skin flaking off? Do you have extreme dehydration? Write it down. Step 3. Create a basic skincare routine. For your AM routine, just 3 products. Start with a cleanser. If you have dry and sensitive skin like me, choose something that's not extremely stripping. I'm using the Face Shop Rise Water Bright Foaming Cleanser here. It's going to cleanse without stripping my skin off. For moisturizer, I always pick something that's creamy, like this Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Cream from the Face Shop. If you have dry skin, your skin is producing lesser natural oil, so you need those ceramides to keep your skin barrier safe. Now for sunscreen, always pick something that is SPF 50 and above and has PA4+ rate. Always apply 2 fingers of this. This is the Face Shop Natural Sun Echo Super Perfect Sun Cream EX. Now a lip serum to keep your dry ass lips hydrated. Now for your PM, start with a double cleanser. This is the Rise Water Bright Light Cleansing Oil. Apply this on your face to get rid of all of that gunk on your face from the city. Cleanser alone is not enough. I've seen how skincare works better when I'm double cleansing. Cleanser and moisturizer, use the same ones as your AM routine. Now I know you don't know the difference between day and night because there's no light in your life, but for your 8 PM routine, you don't have to use a sunscreen.
Bruh.
Step 4. Add ingredients to focus on your skin issues. Yeah, those, the ones we wrote down before. I'm gonna use myself as an example to explain. Now my biggest concerns are dark spots, dehydration and acne sometimes. For dark spots, I picked a niacinamide serum. It's very gentle and friendly for beginners. This step comes after cleanser, before moisturizer. This is the Face Shop 10% niacinamide serum. Now my second concern, dehydration. So I use a hydrating toner. This is the Face Shop Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Toner. Now again, I use this after cleanser, before moisturizer, but on damp skin. You can use this in the AM and PM. And for deeper hydration, you can top it off with the vegan mucin peptide 8 serum from the Face Shop. Now acne. I don't like to use any harsh ingredients on a daily basis because it's going to dry out my dry skin more. So I use something to exfoliate my skin just once or twice a week. This is the Face Shop Panthenol 2% exfoliating gel. It'll remove those dead skin cells, make cell generation faster and do it gently. I know you will be surprised because no one's ever been gentle with you. Now if you're out the whole day, which I highly doubt, a sunscreen stick is very convenient for reapplication. This is the Face Shop, the Therapy Vegan Sunscreen Stick. Sunscreen sticks are so convenient for someone like me who has hyperhidrosis. Your main goal is to stay consistent and patient. There will be nights where you're just home and you're so damn tired, you just want to go to sleep. No, get yourself up, wash your damn face and then go to sleep. Push yourself, make your weak mind stronger. Not just your skin, your whole life is going to get better. I hope this helped because I've really dumbed it down for you. No one ever dumbed it down for me when I needed it. A huge thanks to the Face Shop for sponsoring this video and letting my channel survive. I really liked all of their product formulations. They're so beginner friendly as well. You can always comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.